Ever wanted to, really get into generative AI, but felt maybe a bit overwhelmed about where to even start? Well, today we're unpacking a resource that might just be your perfect shortcut.
That's right. We're doing a deep dive into Microsoft's Generative AI for Beginners repo on GitHub. And what's really amazing, honestly, is how it's just exploded in popularity. It's got, what, over 91,000 stars now?
Wow, 91,000, that's huge. A massive endorsement.
Totally. It's clearly become like the go-to open source course if you want to get your head around generative AI without feeling lost.
Okay, so for all the builders and developers listening, what exactly is this course? What makes it stand out so much?
Well, fundamentally, it's this fantastic open source course put together by Microsoft Cloud advocates. It's broken down into 21 lessons, really comprehensive. And the main goal, to teach you the absolute basics for building real applications with Gen AI right from scratch.
Okay, building real applications, not just theory then.
Exactly. What's cool is how it simplifies things. It doesn't just, lecture you.
Yeah.
It throws you right into practical code examples you can actually run.
Oh, that hands-on approach. That sounds like a game changer. What kind of things can you actually build with it?
Oh, it's super practical. The Builds lessons, they give you code ready to go in both Python and TypeScript.
Both. Nice.
Yeah. So you're not just reading about it.
Yeah.
You'll literally create text generation apps, proper chat applications, even image generators. And it gets into building pretty sophisticated search tools, too, using semantic understanding and, critically, how to handle function calling.
Okay, function call, that's a pretty hot topic, isn't it? Maybe just quickly, for anyone who isn't quite up to speed, why is that so valuable for an AI developer to learn?
Right. Good question. So function calling is basically where your AI stops just like talking or making pictures and starts doing things. Think of it like giving your AI hands, letting it connect to external tools, maybe grab real-time data, send an email, query a database.
Gotcha. So it connects the AI to the real world, makes it more useful.
Precisely. It's absolutely crucial if you want to build AI that can actually act like an agent, perform tasks. And this course really tackles that common hurdle.
That really bridges the gap, theory to practice. So looking beyond those specific apps, what's maybe the most powerful thing about this repo for someone wanting to really get AI and use it?
I'd say it's the step-by-step guidance. It really walks you through from understanding the core ideas, like large language models, and not just what they are, but also prompt engineering techniques, something often skipped in beginner stuff, but it massively changes how smart your app feels, all the way to actually deploying your application. Plus, it's incredibly accessible globally.
How so?
It supports over 30 languages, Japanese, Spanish, you name it. So developers pretty much anywhere can jump in. It's a huge win.
Okay, so let's imagine you're a developer. Maybe you've got this idea buzzing around for an AI search tool or a smart chatbot. This course sounds like it gives you basically everything you need to go from that idea to, well, something that actually works. And I heard there's maybe an extra perk for startups.
That's right, yeah. Beyond just the learning materials, which are amazing, Microsoft offers some serious support. Through their Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub, you can potentially get access to free OpenAI credits. And Azure credits, too, could be up to $150,000 worth.
Wow, okay. That's a significant boost for early-stage companies wanting to use these AI tools.
Definitely helps get things off the ground.
This really does sound like an incredibly complete path for any developer looking to step into the world of generative AI. So ready to check it out yourself. You can find the Generative AI for Beginners repository. The link is right down there in the description. And hey, if you found this deep dive helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more insights into top resources for developers.
Yeah, definitely check it out. And maybe think about this as you start exploring. How could mastering these AI fundamentals, these building blocks, help you solve a problem you're facing? Maybe at work, maybe in your community, something you didn't think was possible before. The potential is just huge. Anyway, thanks for listening in. We'll see you on the next deep dive. Take care.